Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car, raced like a jet, all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the end is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you. Marry that girl, marry you anyway. Marry that girl, yeah, no matter what you say. Marry that girl, and we'll be a family. Why you gotta
Tara,
Pantayin mo pa rin yung
angat kayo
mangka.
ng konti, angat kayo, napos yung
Strip ng shield yan. Strip shield ng Sage.
Dispel.
Ito yung hunter.
Talo na yan, talo
Patay
na
na
yan.
yung Sage.
patay na
Meron
yun.
silang 6. SG level 1, SG level 1.
Oh, hindi ka
Asa to yung
makakasura sa akin,
move
boy!
Bobo! Bobo!
Okay.
Bobo!
Chris, Chris!
Lakas ko, man! Ako pinakawalan sa buong mundo!
Puta, mas malakas ako sa'yo, Bobo!
Patayin mo yan! Patayin natin yan! Huwag lang mararap.
Nagbiwing!